just visit our website at KENS5.com. A big thank you to our viewers, Bill.
Oh, absolutely, Henry. I mean, loving one another, the second most important commandment there is, and you just love to see it. You love to see it. All right, I want to start out with this drought. This is getting to the point of like approaching the 1950s drought. And that's hard to believe, you know, in this day and age, but that really is the case. Look at the amount of counties under extreme drought across this area of the state. Now, you can look out near Big Bend for one piece of exceptional drought. This is going to be updated tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see if we start getting pockets of exceptional drought within what you're looking at right now, which is all extreme drought from the state capital right down the I-35 corridor to Laredo. You can see how fast it cuts off when you get to the hill country and we get into moderate drought, even to dry condition for that yellow area. All right, look at these numbers. 1,491 days in drought that began in January of 2022. This is the second longest in recorded history. Again, we're going to start breaking some serious records. Outside tonight, the winds are calm after a very, very windy day. I mean, we had some wind gusts up around 15 to 20, even up to 25 at times. Outside tonight, we've got 52, and the winds are now under 10 miles per hour. The air very dry. We're down to 36 on a dew point with that dry air coming in behind the front. That only spawned a few showers and thunderstorms in southeast Texas. That line of rain exiting quickly. You can still see a pretty good amount of dry air and westerly winds aloft on this water vapor imagery, and that'll continue to be the case. A good drying condition and a warming condition. We were warm today already, right? 73 Uvalde, that was the warm spot. Lower 70 Southwest. We stop at 69. We should be about 66, so in the neighborhood. But here comes a cold Thursday morning. Upper 30s in the city and metro, maybe an isolated freeze in the hill country. It would be Kerr County, Kendall County, and it would be a light freeze for maybe an hour tops. I mean, it's not going to be much. And then tomorrow afternoon, a lot like today. Upper 60s, a few low 70s. It's on Friday we're going to really notice a difference. A chill in the air Friday morning, but about 10 degrees warmer for most everybody from what you're going to feel tomorrow morning. And then look at this. Friday afternoon, there'll be a few 80s out there. I think we'll stop in the mid 70s. We're going to be under a ridge of high pressure, which is warming us up. But here comes a little disturbance. We could get some rain off of this by next week. Rain chances right now are not huge. But if we fast forward for a quick look at what the models are thinking thus far, I mean, this can change a lot, but decent coverage expected by next Monday, Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday. All right, 14-day forecast begins with a cold morning, and it'll be the coldest for a while. Upper 30s, and there will be a few isolated freezes, then 67, mid-70s waiting for us Friday, Saturday, Super Bowl Sunday, and then we'll bring in a chance of rain, 10 to 20%. Look at this. On Wednesday, the 11th, maybe 80 degrees. And opening day of the San Antonio Stock Show and Rodeos on the forecast. That's February 12th with a high of 79. And then look at that. Saturday the 14th, 100% chance of love. It's looking good in the mid-70s.